Okay, we're just going to have a look at some of our decodable words. So we've got at the top, not, ow, how, see, g, ud, good, two, I want some too, and just. Super. And then these are our tricky words, so the words we need to put into our brain and remember. So he, be, all, was. Okay, super. And then these are words that are sometimes tricky to say, but also just that we need to think about a little bit more what they mean. So here we have the word baby, and here's a picture of a little baby. So a baby is a very young child, isn't it? That's just been born. Okay, here we have the word tall. So tall is when you're very, very high up, you've got lots of height. Tall, so this bird is the tallest bird, and then small is when you're very tiny. So this is the small bird, so tall and small. And then finally, we've got the word way. So this is an arrow pointing this way, so it might be saying this way to the sunshine. Okay, so way. Let's see if we can think about those words and find those words in our book. Okay. So we've got ant, and the baby. Baby was one of the words that we just thought about as well. So here we can see the baby in its pram. So that's going to be one of our characters today. And I think it says ant and the baby. I think that ant might be this other character here. So that's his name. Okay. And why? So in this book, it might be that ant can't see the baby. Can you think of any reasons why ant wouldn't be able to see the baby? Okay, let's have a look and read the book. Ant and the baby. In this story, ant, so I was right, that's ant, that's his name, and a baby, and a baby. So we can see a picture here of a baby's pram. We can see all the school children coming out, and look, someone's holding the baby here as well. Let's have a look. Come and see the baby. Come and see the baby. And all the children are looking very happy. They want to go see the baby. Ant is just too small. So there he is. He's too small. He can't see over everybody else because he's too small to see. Come and see the baby. Oh, and look, we can see Ant there. Ant cannot see at all. How's he feeling? He looks quite angry, doesn't he? I think he really wants to see the baby. Let's go to the next page. Come and see the baby. Ant wishes he was tall. And look, there's a picture. He's imagining that he's super tall so he can see the baby. How can he see the baby? How can he see the baby? So all these people around, how's he going to get past so he can see the baby? This is no good at all. This is no good. So if it's no good, that means it's bad, doesn't it? It's not good. Okay. The way to see the baby. 1, he's got his special watch and he touches it. 2, his watch shines. 3, he gets smaller and smaller and smaller. is to be very, very small. So he's managed to squidge through all the people and then get up into the pram to see the baby. The baby must seem very big to him now because he looks very small. Okay, super. Right, now that we have done that, we're going to play an activity. Off we go. Why couldn't Ant see the baby? Why couldn't Ant see the baby? He was too tall. He was too small. The baby was too small. He was too small. He couldn't see over the people, could he? What did Ant wish for? And this picture is going to help us remember that he was at the front, that he was tall, that the baby was bigger. So there we go, and we can see he wished that he was tall so that he could see the baby. Okay, how did he get to see the baby? He jumped in the air, he pushed to the front, he made himself very, very small. And as we can see in the picture here, he made himself very, very small. So that's the answer. Well done. Okay, thank you for listening to my reading session today. It's been a pleasure to be teaching you. Goodbye.